Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Lyngz.
God bless America, God bless Israel, and may God bless our unshakable alliance, our unbreakable faith.
Blei Prime Minister ka Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ya Donald Trump namar kajing nud jung Trump ban Khyrwait ya ki jaka shna nuklear ka Iran kajing Blei jung Netanyahu ya Trump kalong hadin baka US kala let Ther Bom ya ki lightly ki jaka shna nuklear jong ka Iran ha Isfahan ha Natanz bat hanong ba Fordo nakaliang jung Netanyahu ulayaro ya ka Amerika namar omdon kanu kari kabala banle kum kari Amerika onsa tau record haka history bau Presiden Donald Trump ulai lek persya ya kajing sensar ke bamatam haka perthe bade kitir thma ke bamatam haka perthe kajing long nang lam Trump kala tau history bakala ïarap ya ka Middle East bade KIWEI ki BYNTA jong ka perthe bandon karoi ka par bat kajing song suk sung sngai Presiden Trump bat ka United States la Khyrwait da ka bor ka baklan Blei kyrkhu ya ka Amerika Blei kyrkhu ya ka Israel Blei kyrkhu ya ki parlok ki bas kem jongi bat Blei kyrkhu ya ka jinge jongi ka bom laban penki ya kini ki kentien lapan pau da Netanyahu hadin baka US kala let Ther Bom ya ki lightly ki jaka shna nuklear jong ka Iran.
Congratulations, President Trump. Your bold decision to target Iran's nuclear facilities with the awesome and righteous might of the United States will change history. In Operation Rising Lion, Israel has done truly amazing things. But in tonight's action against Iran's nuclear facilities, America has been truly unsurpassed. It has done what no other country on earth could do. History will record that President Trump acted to deny the world's most dangerous regime the world's most dangerous weapons. His leadership today has created a pivot of history that can help lead the Middle East and beyond to a future of prosperity and peace. President Trump and I often say, peace through strength. First comes strength, then comes peace. And tonight, President Trump and the United States acted with a lot of strength. President Trump, I thank you. The people of Israel thank you. The forces of civilization thank you. God bless America, God bless Israel, and may God bless our unshakable alliance, our unbreakable faith.